In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up user flares that boost engagement in Reddit. User flares are those small labels that appear next to a user's name in a subreddit. They can show things like roles, interests, or achievements. When they're set up well, they help your community feel more personal, more organized, and more fun to participate in. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the settings and how to start configuring user flares so your subreddit feels more alive and engaging. First, make sure you're signed into the account that has moderator permissions for the subreddit you want to work on. Once you're logged in, head over to Reddit and click on your subreddit. You can do this from the sidebar under Your Communities, or by typing the subreddit's name into the search bar and selecting it from the results. This takes you to the main community page where you see the posts, the sidebar, and the usual layout your members see. Next, you'll need to access the moderation settings. At the top of your subreddit page, look for the option labeled Mod Tools. Click on that. This opens the moderator dashboard, which is where all the behind-the-scenes configuration for your community lives. If you moderate multiple subreddits, this area may look a little busy, but don't worry, we're only focusing on one section for now. Inside the Mod Tools dashboard, find and click on the section called Look and Feel. This is the area where you control the visual identity of your subreddit. Things like your theme, colors, banners, and how certain elements appear to users. Because flares are part of the way users are visually represented, their settings live here. Within the Look and Feel section, locate the option labeled User Flare and click on it. This is the dedicated page for everything related to user flares. From here, you can turn flares on or off, create new flare templates, adjust their text and style, and decide whether users can choose their own flares or if only moderators can assign them. Take a moment to look around this page so you understand what each option does. As you begin designing your flares, think about what information would genuinely help or delight your community. Things like expertise levels, regional tags, or fun community-specific roles. Well thought out flares can encourage people to participate more, show off their status, and feel a stronger sense of belonging. That's all you need to get to the right place to set up and manage user flares that boost engagement in your subreddit.